Based on the data from my study, we found that the consumption of 2 eggs per day does not negatively alter plasma lipids, does not increase inflammatory markers, and overall shows no risk toward heart disease.
We found that individuals with insomnia actually have greater energy intake and lower score in some individual diet quality items.
So when we give this mice vitamin D throughout life, what we end up seeing is that there's a reduction in an epididymal fat pad, which is a measure of adiposity. And we also see that these mice have a significantly lower fasting glucose measure, which is actually a risk factor for type 2 diabetes.
The study we did showed a week of green tea consumption reduced the oxidative DNA damage and also lipid peroxidation in both smokers and non-smokers, but with a greater effect in smokers.
We found from the Framingham osteoporosis study that regardless of protein source or protein intake type, there were no differences in lean mass or quadriceps strength among adults with an average age of 45.
So yeah, in our study we found that mothers who lost weight, they were more likely to have preterm birth.
So both males and females are really interested in seeing calories and fat. However, males were much more likely to want to see protein on nutrition labels.
So since 2006, the amount of trans fatty acids has decreased in the U.S. food supply, as well as there has shown a decrease in dihydroquinone content in processed foods as well. There has been also an increase in phytoquinone content, which is the natural form of vitamin K found in green leafy vegetables and certain plant oils as well.
I had an amazing time hearing about everyone's research at today's poster competition. Congratulations to all of the finalists.